And
tell me kind of the structure as far as like, what do you guys provide? What services do you guys do activities with them? Like, are you guys just taking just supervisory type clients, wheelchair bound type? Like, what does that look like?
yeah, so we basically have like 3 different levels of cognitive care, you know. So like it's like, you know, we have our folks that are, you know, extremely cognizant, that you know, like really they're there just, you know, for safety reasons. Maybe it's physical, maybe they're in a wheelchair, maybe they have a walker, you know, but cognitively they can hold the conversation, and you know, and you know, they're, you know, a big part of the reason why they're there is their friends and their socialization. And then you have like the middle kind of segment that's like, you know, Mrs. Smith, who like tells the same story every day, you know, but she can still participate in all the games, and she can still play in all of them, and like, you know, she enjoys them still, but you know, every day's a new day for her, you know. And then you got like someone that's like maybe like late stages Alzheimer's dementia that like really kind of needs, you know, a little bit more one-on-one, and you kind of have to help them with all of the things throughout the day. So we do have all 3 of those kind of stages that we take care of, and then but from the time that someone gets there to the time that they leave, I mean, it's nonstop activities. We have at least probably 20 activities a day, you know, and it's all like, you know, maybe this one for 30 minutes, this one for 15, this one for an hour, like it's back to back to back. And we're doing everything from like exercises to brain games to arts and craft, you know, just everything you could imagine. And then like, you know, sometimes like, you know, we're breaking out into, you know, different groups and stuff like that. And this group's playing cornhole, this one's doing horseshoe, this one's doing volleyball, you know. And then we got live music every day. We serve continental breakfast, we serve lunch, we have snacks in the afternoon, we got transportation to and from, we have hair and nails on site. You know, so like, you know, it's like the fun zone for seniors, you know.
How many people that, yeah, honestly, that sounds awesome. Like that literally sounds amazing for seniors to be able to go to an environment like that.
Especially at that age, right? Because it's like at this age, like, you know, they're not able to go to a senior center or a community center. Like all their friends have like, for the most part, passed away. You know, so it's like they're at an age where it's like they need to almost be reintroduced to a new environment with a new peer group that like are all in the same boat. You know, and it's like, so it's cool to be able to give them this space that like now they can have friends and connections and socialization and get like a, you know, that a whole new lease on life again. You know.
Absolutely. So talk to me like as far as like volume wise, kind of like how many people come through every hour or like every day, like what does that traffic look like?
So peak hours are like 10 to 2, and then like, so like you kind of have like, you know, from about 8 to about 10, you kind of have like everyone trickling in, you know, at different times. Some people we transport, you know, so we're transporting people in, about, you know, 30% of our members, and then the other 70% people are dropping their loved ones off. And, you know, but by around like 10, for the most part, everyone's gonna be there, that's there for the day. And then like, you know, so 10 to 2 is kind of like peak hours, and then like 2 to then 5 is kind of like, you know, some people are getting picked up at 2. It's like every hour, someone like, it's like, you know, 2 is like a cutoff time for some people, not like because we make it, but families like have a tendency to like, you know, some people come pick their loved ones up at 2, some people pick them up at 3, some people pick them up at 4, you know, some people will pick them up right at 5:01. They want to get every last minute out of the day that they can to get their break, you know, so.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. And you said members, so do you offer like monthly memberships or?
Yeah, I like because like in Florida, they're like the way the state regs are written, you know, they refer to like, you know, people who attend as participants, but like I've always felt like, to me it's like a club, you know. So we've created this club, you know, you're a member of the club, and so you know, so you know, we do have memberships, like monthly memberships, you know, and stuff like that. So we have different ways that we can, you know, we have a 50-hour and a 100-hour membership, and then we have just like a pay-as-you-go, you know, hourly rate. So it just kind of depends on how. It depends really, you know, a lot on like, you know, what's the family's needs. You know, are they looking for just like a, you know, a day or two a week as a break, or is this like, no, we're going full time. Like I need every minute of the day I can get, you know.
And part of that membership, transportation's like provided, or is that?
Basically everything we do there is provided. So it's like everything from the activities to the, you know, the only thing that would be like a la carte would be like hair and nails, and things like that. You know, and we also offer showers. So if like someone wants to, you know, help with that, we can offer that. But those are the things that are kind of like a la carte.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.